As a little girl, I could not wait for the next season, holiday, or big event to arrive. I can remember being a Monday, wishing it were Friday, or wishing my birthday were near, or wishing it were Christmas already. And I can remember distinctly my father telling me to not wish my life away. Now, to a 10-year-old's understanding, this made no sense to me, but now as I am getting older, I truly understand what my father meant as I am more cognizant of how quickly life passes by. And although I am not a summer girl and I eagerly await the beginning of fall to arrive each year, I am going to enjoy the end of summer by giving it a beautiful send-off.
The End of Summer by Madison K. Wine. Pods are the poppies, and the slim spires of pods, the hollyhocks. The balsam's pearly breeds of rose-stained snow are little sacks of seeds collapsing at a touch. The lote, that sods the pond with green, has changed its flowers to rods and discs of vesicles, and all the weeds around this sleepy water and its reeds are one white smoke of seeded silk that nods. Summer is dead. Amy, sweet summer's dead. The sunset clouds have built her funeral pyre, through which, e'en now, runs subterranean fire. While from the east, as from a garden bed, mist-vined, the dusk lifts her broad moon like some great golden melon, saying, fall has come.
place way there in all the colors. Summer love. Lonesome love. Folded on the lawn chair in all the colors. Summer love. Fresh cut grass. I could really use some stuff like that. Talk to me and tell me all that you've seen, all the colors. Losing track of time with you. Another beach pie sunset view. Sleeping in the afternoon. No place to be and nothing to prove. That's sure something I could use. A cure for the air conditioning blues. Could use some too.
It's late summer, but outside, even though it's a little warm, sometimes in the evening I feel the hint of a little crisp breeze. And whenever I feel that, it just makes me so happy because I know fall is right around the corner. And when I start feeling like fall is almost here, I love going into my little holiday closet, as I call it, because each year I go in here, it's like I'm looking at stuff for the first time, mainly because sometimes I do thrift some items the season before and put it in here and then forget about it. So then when I go looking through it, it's like a little surprise. I have a full lineup of fall themed videos I'm going to be sharing with all of you. Hopefully it'll inspire you to get your home cozy for the upcoming season. We're going to be decorating, antiquing, maybe even going to the thrift store to find some items for a new fall wardrobe, and a little bit of baking. Thank you for being a wonderful part of this community. I cannot wait to embark on the journey of making our home cozy for fall.